if you have made it to the end of the video, the prize that you will be winning every single week, I would be giving away one of these whitening pens. And as you can see, my teeth is always... Let's get over here. Oh my fucking precious fishes. Hello guys, my name is Samuel and I'm back with another video. And today I decided to do my base and everything off camera, so I wanted to come back on here and do my brows and some eyeshadow and everything else because everybody was requesting for me to do brows on camera. I do not know why. It's so difficult to do brows on camera because I'm like all hunched over trying to get them in, filled in, and drawn on right. But today I will be show you my updated brow routine, and we're gonna go ahead and do that, and we're gonna do a little through the look today, and we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, since what you really want to know what eyebrow pencil and everything I do, how I do my eyebrows, this is what I go in with. I go in with the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. It is in the number 5, and this is what it looks like. Well, yeah, this is the brow pencil that I go in with. This is Precisely My Brow Pencil in the number 5. And then this right here is like a little wand that I usually use to poof onto my eyebrows in the videos so I can fast forward it. You just take this tip off and you have a spoolie. And then you take the other tip off and you have the actual brow product. And you just roll it out. It's a pretty fine tip. What I usually do is I get my mirror. This is why I usually don't do it off camera because I put the mirror in the shot. But like you want to know what my eyebrow routine is. So that's what we're going to do on camera today for you guys. So what I do is I get it and I spoolie through my brows. No one cares! So I start at the bottom and I draw me a line. It's like very simple when you have this pencil. All you have to do is just basically draw you an eyebrow. When you get your eyebrow, you want your eyebrow to start at the edge of your nose right here. As you can see, my brow starts right here at the edge of my nose. And what you want your arch to start is right here where you're looking forward. You want to start it on the outside of your eyeball, like right here. And then where you want to end your brow is you want to end it from the edge of your eyeball to the edge of your nose, like right here. As you can see, I stopped my line right there. Once you do that, what I like to do is I like to get the eyebrow and I like to just run it like this, straight across the brow. And down here, I like to bring it down, basically. And what I like to do is I like to follow my natural brow. And what I do is after I fill it in, I go in with a little bit of concealer, which I will show you in just a minute. But I'm going to do this other brow off the camera because there's no reason to do both eyebrows on camera. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you how I fill it in. What I get is I just take this right here, I like to just rough it up just a little bit.
How I do my mysterious eyebrow, because you know sometimes I be feeling sexy and I don't want people to like know me when they look at me, so I want to give them like a mystery kind of look. So when I do my eyebrows like this, like it makes me look mysterious and like you don't know what I'm thinking. So yeah, like I'm gonna show you right now, hold on. You don't want to be like having little dots and on your eyebrow because you're going to look like you got fleas in your eyebrow. You don't want to look like you got fleas in your eyebrow because that's dirty, dude.
The brush that I use to clean up my brows with, this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH42. Right here, if you can, let me see if you can see that. Come on, camera, pick it up. The product on both sides of the bristles.
What I do is I take it in my car.
Oh, no. Ah, look at the top of his head. Look at his lips. Alright, I'm going to do the other brow off camera and then I'll be right back to do some eyeshadow for you guys. I'm back and looking like a motherfucking mannequin. And I got both eyebrows drew on and I am like so excited to show you my new 2018 eyebrow routine. And what we're going to do now is we're just going to get on these eyelids right now. I am so sorry for this interruption, but I am so happy to tell you I have a giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the full video and you will see what you can win at the end of the video. And guess what? If you're not subscribed, you can't win anything. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. You watch to the end of the video where you can find out what you're having a chance to win. What palette we're going to go in with today? We're going to go in with the James X Morphe palette. Yes, it's a little dirty. Yes, we do use her a lot. We're going to show you the shades. And yes, I think I've already showed her on camera before. But these are all the shades that I have. This is James Charles' palette. Oh my gosh, I've been using her like almost every single day. I'm going to take a light wash of orange through the crease. I mean, when I say a light wash, just like one dab into the orange. Just a second, to make sure everything blends together nicely. And what I like to do when I do my eyeshadows, I like to take it and I like to tap it on first. So I tap it into the crease to get some pigmentation. So I like to take my brush and I like to tap it on. Ooh, can you see that yellow? Oh my gosh, James. But you pretty much want to build it up to the color that you want it to be, like the opacity that you want it to be, how yellow you want it to be, how vibrant you want it to be, how sexy you want it to be. So what you need to do is just take it and you just want to tap that color into your eye until you get the opacity that you want. And if you don't do that, you won't get what you're looking for in an eyeshadow look. Okay? Because at first you've seen that going on and you're like, oh, that's not so yellow. But like when you just build her up and blend her out how you want her to look, honey, that is how you work an eyeshadow into that eye crease, honey. The thing about James Charles' palette is that it has almost every, I mean, not almost, every color that you can imagine to create any kind of eyeshadow look. Any colors, all the rainbows, like it's going to be really good to create any kind of artwork on your face or any kind of artwork on your eyes. So that is the reason I purchased this palette. I got it when it first came out and I've been working with it ever since and I have not put it down. I have ventured out to other Morphe palettes, but this palette is, I always go to it every single freaking time and I cannot stop using it. I cannot put it down. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this more precise blending brush right here. This is the JH40. This is by Morphe as well. Okay, what I want to do is what I said, because like I told you, every color's in the palette. I'm going to take black and I'm going to tap it off really good because we don't want any fallout from her. And this is what we're going to do. We're just going to tap her onto the lid and in this crease on the outer corner, like really like precisely. So just want to cut it off right here. Tap this way. What I want to do is take the blending brush that we've been using this whole time and pack on that yellow. That's basically what we're going for like a nice blended out look with black out here on the outer and blend it out just a little bit, smoke it out. And what we're going to do now is I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to try to match it to the other eye and I'll be right back. I got my lashes on and my mascara, as you can see. And what we're going to do is go ahead and do the bottom lash line. I want to take a little bit of that black on this like very flat brush. And I just want to take some of that black and I just want to take it under my lash line right here and just add it together with this. I'm going with that brush that I used earlier to pack on some of that inner corner yellow. And I'm just going to take a brownish, reddish color and I'm just going to smoke out this bottom lash line.
See that? I just bumped my face with this brush.
Do some bottom lashes with mascara. I'm going to take the roller lash by Benefit and I'm just going to do these bottom lashes, boo. Back, and all we got to do now is mist our face with some setting spray. And what I'm going to go in with is the Wet n Wild Natural Finishing Spray. What we're going to do is to be this week's winner, and the prize that you will be winning this week is going to be a whitening pen. I use this almost every single day. As you can tell, my teeth are always white. It's because I use this pen, and I will be giving one of these away every single week. So yeah, I'll be happy to give one of these away, and I will be shipping them all over the world. And I will, if you live closer to me, I will be bringing them personal to your door. So if you want one of these, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, and make sure you leave a comment down below on like anything, like what you want to see in a video, or yeah, how your day was. So I hope your day was great. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on all of my social medias, which are linked down below. And I will always have them linked down below. So make sure you follow me on my Snapchat for like all the tea and all the news and all the extra stuff that I do not post on this YouTube video. So make sure you go ahead and follow me on all my social medias. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to win one of these, follow the rules. And they will be down below as well. So yeah, I'll see you next time with another tutorial. Bye.